Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the control board on your oven. The reason why you might have to do this is because you're getting little to no heat when baking, or because the display is not responding. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove we're going to be using for this repair. It's a Whirlpool. Keep in mind, yours at home might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same techniques should still apply. The first thing you want to do is make sure you turn your gas off. Now, I'm going to turn the oven around. The next thing we have to do is remove all the screws that are holding this back panel on. And as I take this last screw out, I'm going to hold the panel in place so it doesn't fall when I remove the screw. So now to remove this panel, first get our cord out of the way. Now I'm going to pull the panel out from the bottom and then slide it down. There we go. So this right here is our control panel, and to remove it, I want to unplug all these wires first. And to do that, I'm just simply pulling them straight off. And now there are two screws holding it on, so I'm going to remove those next. And as I remove the last screw, I'm going to hold the control panel up so it doesn't fall on the floor when I take off the screw. There we go. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement control board. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So as you can see here, there's already two screws in there. They're already attached and they're enclosed in there, so you shouldn't have to worry about taking the old screws from your other control board out. What I'm going to do is just line up the holes. And once I've got it fairly lined up, you can screw it back in. Now I'll plug all the wires back in. And now I'm going to angle the rear panel so that it'll go underneath the lip right there. And now I should be able to push it forward. And now we can get it all screwed in. Now that we've got everything screwed back together, we can turn the stove back around and plug everything else back in. And now we can turn our gas back on. And your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.